Okay, it started?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Jack Webb, also known as Heshwalker94, and I'm going to start up a dirt bike. How do I do this, Ted? Okay.
Kick this starter down over there.
For you guys laughing, stop it. Okay, Dad, you're gonna have to do it. I'm not. Can you cut the video until this is done? Press the pause button on it. Just start it up again. All right. So I push this down.
You gotta put the kickstand up first.
Right.
No, with you on the bike.
I can't do it with me on the bike.
All right. Now pull that lever up. Up.